Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 5th April 2022 and the time is 7:10. Literally our Ichimoku timing of Bank Nifty from 115 to 315 put a full stop temporarily for the Bank Nifty, on the upside. The fall actually started at 130, and from there it was a steep fall, roughly around 700 points downside from there. So the timing rocked actually, and the intermediate time I gave was 220 candle. Once it broke that 220 candle low, it was a good downfall, even in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. But particular stocks, especially Adani Port, which was our pick for the month, was rocked today, and IFL Finance is also did well today, and I just want to discuss few stocks which are at very critical stage and possibility of big breakout on the upside if the Nifty supports us. And yesterday's topic was our topic was, will the Nifty give genuine buy tomorrow? This was the topic yesterday. This is the observation for 5th April, and this was the topic. Okay, and as I discussed yesterday, it has not given a genuine buy today, right? So you need to be a little careful. It has to cross and close above yesterday's high, because my system has given a buy. Once it given a buy, the next candle, whenever the candle has to close above that candle, the buy initiation candle, to substantiate or validate the genuine buy. Otherwise, this is a fake buy where to trap all the investors or the traders. We will discuss all that in the chart. And coming to my WhatsApp group, this was my first number, 907 number. Buy above 18087, sell below 18053. Morning itself, it has not crossed and closed above this number for 5 minutes. So once it broke this number, it gave 100 points on the downside. Again went up, went and touched this buy number, but not able to close above for 5 minutes. And again, it gave another 130 points. So it was a fabulous thing. So that's why I always say, don't watch your, don't waste your time or burn your midnight oil watching your Singapore Nifty and other stuff. Just this two number will take care of everything. And this is, Adani Port was a rock up today. So, and Excel sheet did, two targets on the initially, and then again little bit of whipsaw today, but again it once the market fell, it did very well today. And BEL we entered long today. We are holding it from 216 from yesterday. And let's go to these are the profit for today from my clients. These are the profit in LNTFH, Tata Motors and all that. And if you go and see, once again, I gave a timing of 2:20 to 2:25 p.m. to watch, and that candle was a rocker. Okay, so now we will go to the chart. So now, as I discussed already, the buy is initiated in my system on daily, but the next candle has to close above this buy. Then only it's a genuine buy. The same thing happened here, and we saw roughly around 3,000 points fall. Are we going to see the same thing here? The time will tell. Let's watch, because we have our time, TCD dates with us. Let's see how it behaves. No, fingers crossed. And we closed our Nifty, positions today at the closing of the hour, because it has given a sell in 5 minutes today. Okay, so it has given a sell in 5 minutes today. And if you see, the buy has come at 17,160. It gave a buy on 5 minutes. If you see, this is the 5 minutes time frame. So it gave a buy at 17,161, because we need to buy only once the buy comes, the buy initiation comes. We need to buy only if the next candle close above this buy. So we bought here at 17,165, and there is no sell after that. Okay, so it captured roughly around 1,000 points, and finally it closed below this sell candle initiation. So we closed our position today. We don't hold any Nifty position as of now. Stock position, yes, we closed IRCTC, Tata Motors, and a few other stocks, but we initiated long in Auro Pharma and M&M Financial. M&M Financial, CUB, all are in breakout mode. Let's see how the market is going to help them to do it on the upside. Okay, so now as of now on Nifty, it is according to me, it's a fake buy. So be little cautious. Okay, and even today, this day was a Astro day. You can even take the high and low of today, and then you can use it. And if you go and see, it does not cross the trend line on the upside. That is also is the problem. Okay, so now coming to Bank Nifty, this was the 115 timing. After this first candle, it went up, but 115 candle, the chapter was closed here. And exactly this was our last target for today. And from 38,416, that was our sell call today in the PPT. Below that, I mentioned all the targets, and exactly it came and touched our target, which was our last target for the day. So on the downside, we are able to achieve all the targets on the downside on Bank Nifty. And coming to this was the sell call on Bank Nifty yesterday PPT 38,416. Below 31,416, the target is 37,943, and that was the bang on low today. And you have this number with you yesterday night itself. So we are able to capture good point based on our system indicator. We are able to catch the entire fall on the Bank Nifty also. If you go and see Bank Nifty futures on 1 minute, once I close this. So the sell came here at 38,416, and from there we had a good fall. I'm talking, okay, let's go to Bank Nifty spot. So the sell initiated at 38,438, and from there we had a good fall and closed exactly at the Shakti, which is our crucial number. And this was our yesterday's last target, which I mentioned in the PPT. Okay, so now next, this was our morning number, 907 number. So morning first 5 minutes, it is not able to break the blue color line, which is our buy line, which is 18087. And the sell is 18053, just 33 point stop loss. That's all. Okay, came down, and after that the stop loss not hit. It gave another roughly around 100 points here. Went above, again went and touched here, but not able to close above the blue color number at least for 5 minutes. So you can initiate the long only if it closes above the buy number for 5 minutes, or the sell number below the sell number for 5 minutes. Till that time, you need to simply wait and watch. If you see here, morning it came down, you need to wait because this candle closed below the red color line 1853, 18,053. Then place the sell order here. If it comes and execute, then put the stop loss. It came down, and after achieving 100 points, it went and triggered the stop loss of roughly around 50 points profit. Went above again. When it broke this, it was a free fall of roughly around 120 points. So this is more than enough to trade intraday. Rather than you can use your own system. If you are using Super Trend, RSI, MACD, whatever system you use. But this 2 number is a magical number, which normally I give before the market opens every day for my subscribers. So use it wisely. Okay, so this is done now. Okay, so let's go to the PPT straight away and discuss for tomorrow. Yeah, and before that, tomorrow's stock to watch is Bharat Forge, Chola Finance, CUB, TVS Motor, and Z. And if you take these three companies are having their combination date. Already, you know that how combination date worked in HDFC Limited. And now watch these three counters, CUB, Chola Finance, and TVS Motor for tomorrow. We will initiate the buy call if the first 15 minutes I is crossed in CUB and TVS Motor especially. And there is a blue color date which is for Z. Watch out. And these two companies, one is Deepak Nitrate and M&M Finance, is on the verge of breakout. Watch it wisely. If it breaks today's high, simply buy, and we are already long in M&M Finance. Okay, so Deepak Nitrate, maybe if you, in case today I have some time, if possible, I will try to cover this in charts. Okay, so these are the companies for tomorrow. Watch it. And if you see the combination is here. Chola Finance combination is here. CUB combination is here, and TVS Motor combination is here. So watch it. It will be very, very useful for you to make money out of this. And coming to our PPT. Okay, this was the first, fifth observation, and this one is rocked. And we are not giving this timing one day before. We are deciding this time 3-4 days before, and we are writing the PPT. And see how the market respects those timings. If I see, planet will have an, impact on the market, people only laugh. Then I will also laugh. Okay. So anyway, this is how it works. So it was a beautiful thing to watch. Okay. And if you take the Bank Nifty number of yesterday intraday number, I clearly said below 38416 sell and target is 37,943, and this was the low today, 37,943, and it achieved all the targets for the downside, on the downside. Okay, so now going to tomorrow's thing. Use this number wisely, and Bank Nifty and Nifty close to below the weekly bullish number. Till it holds the weekly bearish number, we don't need to worry. I will try to initiate a long if it comes and touches the weekly bearish number, because my monthly bearish, the monthly game changer number is still bullish. So I have not given up, but based on my system, I should not hold any long on Nifty future if it gives a genuine sell on 5 minutes, because that is a time frame which I follow in my trading system. So I should not hold. Maybe this may be an hourly thing also. Once the buy comes, I will initiate the buy call, but as of now, we don't hold any Nifty positions at all. In case if the Nifty gives a buy call tomorrow on a genuine buy, then we will initiate a buy. Otherwise, we won't initiate a buy in Nifty futures. Okay, so now coming to this one is already rocked. Nifty future, Bank Nifty done all the targets now. I've already discussed CUB, Cholamandalam, Cub, TVS Motor and Z. Watch out for Cub and TVS Motor and Chola Finance. Okay, and Cub was given a buy. I will try to cover Cub for a minute. Cub was given a buy in my system today. If it breaks, again the same logic applies. If it breaks today's high and close above, I'm expecting some big move on the upside, because it is having a combination date this month. So watch it for CUB. But it's a bank again. Our bank index is not doing well, but still, when it is having a combination date, if tomorrow's low is broken, simply go short with the stop loss of tomorrow's high. And if tomorrow's high is broken on the upside, simply buy with the stop loss of tomorrow's low. So tomorrow high and low is the key market, and people, those who follow intraday on a trend change date, how to trade, trade the trend change date, very well how to do it. So kindly use it. So now coming to this one, Adani, my next target, once it crossed 784, the next target was 841, and today 841 was done, and I exited, Adani port. Okay, so we initiate the call at 765, and from there it was a rocker. And Bharati yet to do my third target, which is 784. Already 2 targets done. IRCTC, 840 is done. Again, 2 more target is pending. Let's watch. IIFL is my pick of the month at 292, and today it closed at 302. Watch out. And this one is my special thing. So again and again, I'm saying watch out for TVS Motor. If it breaks tomorrow's high, simply buy with the stop loss of tomorrow's low. No need to put any indicator on that and then confuse your stuff. Right. So this thing again, I've already talked about. Concentrate on M&M Finance and Deepak Fertilizer. Big breakout on the cards above today's high. Stop loss is very, very low. So use it wisely, because today's if you see the high and low of today of Deepak Nitrate, as well as M&M Finance is very, very small. So you can definitely make 3%, 5%, and 7% if you use it wisely. So use it. And this is for tomorrow, buy number, sell number for Nifty, Bank Nifty. And here, if you go and see Nifty future, it closed below this number. it closed below this number 18076, and there is a support at 17,897. So watch out for this number 17,897. Below this, it is bearish again. And if you take Bank Nifty, it is close to below 38,407, which is our intraday number for tomorrow. And this is the support. Break below this, it's a pain for the bulls. Let's watch, mark this number in your system and use it wisely, right? So rest everything is done, and I've not updated this. I need to update this. So that's all. Okay, I'll talk about the cup today. CUB once again. CUB. So now it has given a buy today, but not a convincing candle. But anyway, if it crosses above and closes above today's high, 143.30, possibility the first target is 156. Okay, so I will initiate the targets, but as of now, in case tomorrow, if it comes near to this level, you can take a chance. You can take a chance of 50 paisa stop loss. It will definitely work. And again, tomorrow, first 15 minutes high and low is the key, because this is a trend change date. So use it wisely. I don't know whether it's going to be again fake buy here. If it breaks about today's high and the trend change dates also there, this guy will rock for April. So watch out for this guy. And if you put a system here, this high and low, which has already happened, which was the yearly date, which happened on 24th January 2022, and it is exactly combining here. Let's see how it plans out tomorrow. So 2 dates, actually it is 3 dates for me, because this month it's having 2 dates, and 1 date which already happened on 24th January, that is also combining. So 3 dates combining in CUB. So you will see some kind of a miracle in this company. And if you draw a trend line on the top, still it holds this trend line. I think nothing to worry about this. So use it wisely and make money out of it. So Cub is in my radar, and maybe Deepak nitrate. Okay, so I'll cover this and I'll close this. Okay, so now if you see Deepak nitrate, if I close this, so now it is closed above my Shivan. This blue color line, possibility of big breakout on the upside if it crosses today's high. If it crosses today's high, mark today's high and low, because I've already marked here the today's high and low. I've already marked the high is 2340 and the low is 2314. So watch it. This guy also will give big breakout on the upside. So these 2 companies, watch it for tomorrow, and I've already given other companies to watch out for tomorrow in my PPT. Okay, so Bharat Forge, Chola Finance, CUB, TVS Motor, and ZL. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisor before investing in any financial instrument. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow. Bye.